Welcome to the grand site of Bhimbetka, one of the rarest on the planet, which was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2003. Situated at an elevation of 600 meters above sea level and 45 kilometers from the city of Bhopal. This magnificent repository of rock shelters and rock paintings are some of the oldest on the earth, establishing archaeological evidence of human habitation and lithic industry, spanning Paleolithic, Mesolithic, Chalcolithic, and historical periods. The site was discovered by pure chance in 1957 by Indian archaeologist V.S. Wakankar and forms part of a larger area that has been uncovered over various excavational investigations conducted by K.D. Bajpai, S.K. Pandey, and V.S. Wakankar in 1971 to 1977. Later, from 1972 to 1977, concurrent excavations were carried out by Wakankar, V.N. Mishra of Deccan College, Pune, and Susan Haas of the museum from Walker Kund, Paz. Excavations were also carried out in 1981-82 by K.D. Banerjee of the Archaeological Survey of India. However, it may be interesting to note that the first reference to Bhimbetka was made by W. Kinkaid in 1888, published in a paper on information from the Adivasis for a reconstruction of the history of the Bhojpur Lake, and mentions Bhimbet Hill on the opposite end of the lake as a Buddhist site. The region was divided into 7 topographical areas and further nomenclature into groups of shelters and clusters, with numbering shelters in each cluster, spread over an area of 1892 hectares. The entire region has over 700 shelters. However, in Bhimbetka there are 248 rock shelters, of which 133 contain paintings. On display for tourists are only 15 shelters with a proper walking path created. The rest of the rock shelters are unavailable to the public as they lie in a protected zone identified by Archaeological Survey of India. Bhimbetka derives its name from Bhimbataka, or the seat of Bhim, one of the 5 Pandavas of the epic story Mahabharata. He is said to have rested in this spot, a popular tradition with no literary evidence. Your walk through the site's 15 rock shelters will reveal more than 500 to 700 paintings distributed in various measure through each shelter, spanning the periods from 2000 BCE to 12,000 BCE. The older paintings of 35,000 BCE are in the protected unopened sites. Paintings are divided into 4 categories and 4 or 5 different colors, all of which are made from natural content like animal fat, leaves, gum, calcium, all available in the surrounding terrain, making it therefore easy for extraction and creating natural colors. Essentially, most paintings are in white and red color, where there are some in yellow and green. Paintings were done by multiple groups of painters over various time periods. There is a high possibility that paintings were done by women, because women are hardly featured in these paintings. There are 21 villages around Bhimbetka, which are sparsely populated by Gond tribes, Pradhans and the Korkus, the earliest inhabitants of the region. Bhimbetka encapsulates a range of parts encompassing environment, ecology, rock shelters, morphologies, paintings, material evidence and continuing traditions, integrated into a whole spanning tens of thousands of years, and therefore is an extremely significant microcosm of the cultural landscape and human evolution, both for India and the rest of mankind. This fascinating site is protected by the Archaeological Survey of India. It also falls within the protected Ratapani Wildlife Sanctuary, as also covered under Wildlife Protection Act and Forest Conservation Act.